Hi, it's Ines. Welcome to my channel. This is where you will find trinkets, potions, and random magics that will be helpful to you. Today, I'm going to show you a potion that will teach you how to make cubic right angle weave and make the beadwork turn 90 degrees. Now let's get started. Now we're going to learn how to make cubic right angle weave, and also to learn how to make the beadwork turn 90 degrees, so you can make square out of it, like this. I already made two components. It's a very flexible bead stitch, so you can make all sort of squares. I'm going to make this into necklace or maybe bracelets as well. And I also made this cute little earring. It's pretty. So after you learned this basic stitch, then you can start your own design and make your unique jewelry. Alright, anyway, let's jump into it. So for display purpose, I'm going to use this huge bead. It's a 4 milliliter fire polish bead. So this way you can see clearly how to make it. All you need is a stop bead, beading needle, and some thread. Alright, let's get started. First, you're going to pick up 4 beads, bring it down, past the first bead you just strung. Pull tight. Pick up another 3. Go back to the other side of the bead like this. So your thread came out of here. You go back from here. Pull tight. Like this. And advance your needle. Go to the second bead you just strung, like this. Pick up another 3 beads, go back to the other side of the bead. See? If you are familiar with the right angle weave, then this is just making the stitch 3-dimensional. Now you have 3 units, 1, 2, 3 here. You fold the side, you fold 2 sides towards the middle, like this. And you can see on this side, we need to make another unit as well. So you can see you already have 3, then you just need to put on the missing one to create another unit. So pick up 1 bead, completing this unit on this side. Okay, this side is done. Now, turn the beadwork towards you. This side, we are already done. Keep turning the beadwork towards you. Advance your needle at the same time, following the thread path. I don't want to get this tail thread caught here. Okay, so if you want to do something at the beginning of the beadwork, you can just leave this thread tail longer, because right now I'm just showing the basic stitch. So you can see this side, there are also only 3 beads, so you need to add 1 bead to complete this unit. You just remember the right angle cubic always has 4 beads on each side. Okay, so 4 sides are complete. Now we just need to reinforce this side. Make the 4 beads stick together. So this is the starting cubic of this cubic bar or bead project that you're trying to do. You can see every side has 4 beads. One side, second side, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So each side has 4 beads. Now you need to check and make sure that each corner of the cubic needs to have 3 thread paths. So this way the beading cubic is strong, so you can continue to bead. Yeah, I just checked. See, every corner of the cubic needs to have 3 thread paths, and if you're missing one, you just add it in. Now we're going to make our second cubic. To prepare for the second cubic, you need to make your needle come out of the one on the right side. So we're building the unit right here, and make needle came out from this bead. And pick up 3 beads. Go back through the bead from the other side. Okay, this is the first side of the second cubic. After you finish the first side, turn the beadwork towards you 90 degrees. Advance your needle. So we are creating units, 4 bead units on every side. So here, after you turn, you can see you already have 2 beads. What you need to do is pick up 2 beads and complete this unit like this. After you complete this, turn the beadwork towards you 90 degrees. Advance your needle. Keep completing the unit like just now, like the one before. Okay, you finish this unit. Turn the beadwork towards you. Now the last side, you will see that you already have 3 beads. So all you need to do is to just add on the one missing bead to complete the unit. See? Another cubit is done. So this is really just making the right angle weave into a 3-dimensional bar. See? The trick of making cubic right angle weave is that your needle always goes clockwise. So I'm gonna just do the 3rd cubic and to show you again. So to prepare for your 3rd cubic, you need to make the thread come out from the very last bead here, and then you build forward like this. So remember, the needle always goes clockwise so that you don't confuse yourself. So pick up 3 beads go back to the bead that your thread just came out of. Turn the piece towards you 90 degrees. Advance your needle. Keep completing the unit. Turn, advance your needle, complete your unit. Turn the beadwork, advance your needle, and complete the beadwork. Pick up the last bead here. See, after you get the pattern, it's pretty easy. See, we just finished 3 cubic using cubic right angle weave. Alright, now this is the basic stitch. So you can just keep going on until you reach your desired length. Now I'm going to show you how to turn beadwork 90 degrees so that you can make squares out of it. So to prepare the turn, we're just gonna turn right here 90 degrees. So to prepare the turn, you need to end the cubic. So advance your needle here, follow the thread path, and reinforce this end unit. So remember, your needle always goes clockwise. Okay, so I just reinforced this unit, last unit. So I'm just gonna make the beadwork turn this way. So the next cubic is gonna build here, right here. So to build the next one, what you need to do, it's actually pretty easy. You will just need to look at this last cubic as your first cubic. So I'm just gonna ignore the ones that I made before and just stare at this cubic, right? So my thread just came out of here. I'm going to follow the thread path like this. So now I can start to build the cubic like before. This is my very last bead of the unit. So I'm gonna pick 3 beads, go back through, my thread came out of here, go back through the same bead, and turn the beadwork 90 degrees, advance your needle, pick up 2 beads, and complete the unit here. Okay, and turn the beadwork, advance your needle, pick up another 2 beads, complete the unit. Okay, and turn the beadwork, advance your needle, and complete the last unit by picking up the last bead. See? My cubic is finished and my beadwork just turned 90 degrees. Right? It's pretty easy. After you know what the trick is. So now you just need to continue the beadwork until it reaches your desired length. I'm just gonna build here one more time so you see how to make this. So I'm gonna prepare my thread and needle and continue building the beadwork, the cubic. Okay. hope my thread is enough to completely show you. Turn. All right. See? Now it's a 90-degree turn of the cubic right angle weave. If you want to finish it, what you do is the same as you did to the corner. All you need to do is to reinforce the end unit. Oh, my thread is barely enough to make it to finish it. All right. See? Yeah. When you want to close it, you just need to go back to the beadwork following the thread path, tie a couple of knots, and cut the excess off. It's that easy. Alright, now you just learned the cubic right angle weave and make the beadwork turn 90 degrees. Now you can go ahead and make a square out of it like this. And if you like this earring design, I have it available in PDF form in my Etsy shop. I'll link the website down below in my description box. Please make sure to check it out. And yeah, if you like this tutorial, please give it a thumb up, share with the friends that you know, subscribe my channel, hit the bell button as well so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you in my next one. Alright, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial, and I also hope that you will share with me what kind of jewelry you've made with cubic right angle weave. And if you're trying to make a square and you're having trouble connecting the starting and the ending part of the cubic, don't worry, I'll upload a video next to show you how. Alright, I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.